feel the wind in my hair.
Feel it in my wisps. Can't feel the hair.
Oh yes. Take me away. We're going a brisk 3 miles an hour.
I was gonna say it's very slow.
Looks like I'm about to bungee jump.
I don't think
Wow, this curling iron burn is real attractive.
My life is gonna sink me to the bottom.
I am here, I am so freaking blonde right now, and I am in the Maldives. Oh yes. You guys remember my last time that I was in the Maldives with Adam, but this time I am alone. I have my own room, which you can't see behind me because, you know, the sun. It's just doing its thing. So I got invited to go on a trip to the Maldives with the Lux destination, and I'm basically just here shooting some awesome photos, and I'm with a lot of really cool girls. It's so funny because my New Year's resolution was to make new friends and to just expand my friend circle, meet people that love to travel, love to take photos, just meet some new cool girls, just, you know, make the circle bigger. And I didn't know how I was gonna make any new friends, and then literally 2 days later, I got invited on this trip, and there's so many cool girls going. So basically, within a few days, literally like within 3 days of just like figuring this whole trip out, I hopped on a plane to Hong Kong, flew literally 17 hours to Hong Kong, met up with a bunch of really cool girls, and then we flew from Hong Kong to the Maldives, and then the Maldives to a smaller island in the Maldives, and then a smaller island in the Maldives. We took a boat here, and I'm here now. We're at the Hyatt, and guys, I have my own room. I don't know who trusted me to have my own room. I have to like pinch myself because I don't even believe that this is real. I walked into this room and I literally was like pooping with excitement. So, you know, like a traditional vlog would start, if you're in a place of heaven, you do a villa tour before I mess it all up. So without further ado, here is my Maldives villa tour. Oh yeah. Let's go. Oh yeah. Front door. Hello, is anyone home? Nobody's home. Guys, what? Oh yes, this is where I will poop for the next few days. Oh my. Hello, lovely sink, I will cherish you. Guys, can we just... I have a bathtub and an outdoor shower. What? Oh my God.
A little bit more. Don't be scared, just come over. Just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit closer, closer. Give me just a little bit more. Can you come a little closer?
Give me all that, bring your body over here. You're a cool cat, party like you got no fear.
So, you know, of course I'm already sweating. I already look disgusting. So I'm gonna go take a shower and then hopefully meet up with the girls because I'm literally all alone right now and I don't know what to do with my life. And I'll see you guys there. Bye! Everybody, we are currently day 2, going hard in the Maldives. We're here, you know, we just got some really cute presents. Look at this phone case. Ah! It's so pretty. And then we also got black. I don't know if I want black on my phone or pink. I don't know. Comment down below what you guys would do. We're here at breakfast. I haven't introduced myself. Not myself. You guys, what the I'm just gonna go. I haven't introduced you guys to the crew, so we will do a roll call, okay?
Hi! Am I meant to say who I am?
Yes.
Hi, I'm Gemma. I'm from Lux Destination.
It's like our age and height.
I'm Belle. I'm from Australia.
Say a fun fact about you and your name.
I'm Emily and I'm from Australia also.
I'm Jenna and I'm from Australia also.
For a second I was like, Wait a second.
I live in LA. Sad LA. Yeah, me too. I live in LA. I'm Ayla, guys. But you already know that.
And we've got another vlogger. Do 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 do. Is anyone else vlog here?
We need that like that.
Well,
This is
like,
so
rolling
annoying.
No more vlogs.
I'm learning from you right now. This is like
Vlog.
like
vlogging
give us a
101.
The fluffy thing is a mic. So yeah.
Ah.
Are you guys coming in as well?
Yeah.
It's recording. It's recording. Are we gonna hold hands? I feel like that's gonna be dangerous. You guys are nervous.
Right.
My jump spot.
Are you?
My jump spot.
But wait, I'm scared.
Me too.
One, two. It's difficult. Oh my god, this is so
So come and hold me like the old times, and I won't hold back, not this time, because
It is a new day. We are currently here on the back of a golf cart to go on a private magical island. You guys saw that I did that last time I was in the Maldives with Adam. It was really fun.
Did you?
Yeah, we did it.
Was it really nice?
It was really nice. We ran around the whole island like holding hands. It was very, very magical.
We're about to one up your trip
Yeah, I
with
was gonna
Adam
say,
right now.
Yeah, Adam, we're coming for you. Yeah, we got girls on an island now, so it's better.
We got bikini girls in an island right now.
Bikini girls. So yeah, my vlog camera is actually about to die. So from here on out, I probably might vlog on my big camera. So you know, if you see a little change, that's what's going on. But yeah. Woo! Oh my gosh. So cute! Coconuts! Oh my god!
Wait, how the f did I get up here?
Turn around!
How?
Ah!
Act natural. Keep going.
No, don't keep going, don't keep going.
Yes, if
Oh no, don't drop, don't drop from there.
That's cute. That's cute. Maybe get it close.
Oh, it's a manta ray. Oh my gosh, majestic. Oh my, spin for me.
Oh my god, we're like the most obnoxious tourists like ever to these.
Come on, spin.
They could probably hear us and are like,
Oh,
so cute. They're so nice.
guys.
Underneath us.
What the heck? My god.
yes, I'm taking the best
Dolphins
selfies ever.
everywhere. Dolphins.
Tell me something new. Tell me something I already don't know about you. Could be something old, could be something new. I just wanna know something new about you. I just wanna know something.
Oh, he just spit out his little hole. Yeah. I got hit with the blowhole.